clear. Temperature 18 Celsius. Dew point -02 Celsius. Altimeter 3022. Remarks. Density altitude 400.
Cape Girardeau Regional Airport.
Automated weather observation 1940 Zulu. Wind 340 at 11. Visibility 10. Sky condition clear. Temperature 18 Celsius. Dew point -02
Cape Tower
Celsius.
425 Delta Bravo, midfield left downwind, runway 2 for full stop with taxi back.
Density altitude
45 Delta Bravo, clear to land, runway 2.
Clear to land, runway 2, 425 Delta Bravo.
Cape Ground, Cessna 5523 Golf with the weather at the FBO. East departure to Mike 34 at 3,500.
Colin Tower, say again, I was on the phone with approach.
Yes, sir, calling Cape Ground. This is Cessna 5523 Golf at the FBO, ready taxi for east departure to Mike 34 and flight following if possible at 3,500.
You'll be able to pick up that flight following airborne with approach at 23 Golf, taxi out to runway 2 via Bravo, Alpha Delta, cross runway 10 at Delta.
Runway 2 via Bravo, Alpha Delta, cross 10 Delta for 5523 Golf. Turn right on Alpha. And Cape Tower Cessna 5523 Golf is holding short of runway 2, ready to go, sir.
23 Golf, Cape Tower, runway 2, cleared for takeoff. Proceed on course.
Clear for takeoff, runway 2 on course for 5523 Golf, thanks. Alright, doors are locked. Runway 2 is verified twice. Mixture is full rich, gas is on board and the gear is secure. Airspeed is alive, full power, making full power. And gauges are in the green. 40. 60. Rotate.
Cape Tower 425 Delta Bravo is midfield left downwind, runway 2 for full stop.
45 Delta Bravo, clear to land, runway 2.
Clear to land, runway 2. Sorry, that was supposed to be full stop with taxi back, 425 Delta Bravo.
45 Delta Bravo, you are cleared to land.
Clear to land, 425 Delta Bravo.
So you're going to do one more departure after this, right?
Yes, sir.
Cape Tower, good afternoon. Station 915, Delta Hotel, 5,113 to the southwest on a visual 28.
95 Delta Hotel, Cape Tower, enter on a left downwind for 28. Report midfield, wind variable 5, altimeter 3022.
Alright, launcher left downwind, midfield left down, we'll report that for 28 sedation 915 Delta Hotel.
Kentucky Dam traffic, Cessna 5523 Golf is 10 to the west now, windbound to line left traffic for 28 Kentucky Dam. Kentucky Dam traffic, Cessna 5523 Golf is 5 to the southwest, inbound to land at the 45 for runway 28, full stop, Kentucky Dam. Kentucky Dam traffic, Cessna 5523 Golf is entering left downwind for runway 28, Kentucky Dam. Alright, clear. Alright, we're beam the numbers. Carpeet's coming on. Flaps 10. Keep it at 80. And Kentucky Dam traffic, Cessna 5523 Golf is turning left base for 28, full stop, Kentucky Dam. Alright, we'll go flaps 20. Keep it at 70. Kentucky Dam traffic, Cessna 5523 Golf is turning final for 28 Kentucky Dam. Alright, lower down to 70. Kentucky Dam traffic, Cessna 5523 Golf is clear of runway 28, Kentucky Dam. What the fuck was that?